Yeah, let me get my trunk, nigga. Let me get my trunk, nigga. Nigga, stand the fuck up, nigga. Bro, you gotta get this bitch paid. Nigga, dog shit.
He gon' fall.
Ollie Rashad, you got it, baby.
What's going on? What we finna do?
You know what I'm saying? So, first of all, I'm Ali Rashad, aka Bone, aka, you know what I'm saying? Love me later. Anyway, pretty much, my car is at the shop, and my homeboy just bought a 1986 El Camino, Chevy El Camino, and parked it at my house because he got a broken pump. So, what I said was, since my car is gone, I'm gonna tell CJ, my brother, that I sold my 1961 Chevy Impala, which is amazing, by the way. And I bought him that because he wants an El Camino, the same one. And I bought him that as a gift. And then I'm just gonna take the rest of the money and get me another car. That's the plan. That's what I'm gonna tell him. So we gonna see how that shit work out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Dubwave TV. Like and subscribe to my channel. I'll put everything in the description below. For more.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go get this nigga. Let's go get this nigga. Why is it sitting here then?
Your new car.
Why would I take my Impala and get a fucking...
That just sound like you, my nigga.
No, bro.
That ain't my new car.
Okay. You don't want it?
Bro, you fucking lying, bro.
Bro, they gave me the money for it, bro. I was like, I might as well just get them.
Y'all really lying, bro.
Bro, everything, bro. That's you. Check it out, nigga. You gonna check it out?
Nigga.
I love you, nigga.
Bro, you lying.
Okay.
Where the keys at?
Shit, I gotta go get the mugs from inside the house, but that should be unlocked. Y'all like it?
What?
How you feel?
Recording this shit.
How you feel?
Cause y'all niggas lying. I can't do
Whatever.
y'all right. This nigga don't give me anything, nigga. This nigga give me a card.
Yeah, what you mean?
It ain't a new car, listen. So
I mean,
it's
yeah.
easy to get.
This the project shit, but goddamn. Wow. This nigga, he not bullshitting?
No.
What?
He was supposed to sell the 6-1 anyway.
Wow. What? Hey, let's go, nigga. What, nigga? Oh, we finna do the car club.
Bro, it's on my other keychain, bro, with the Impala, but yeah, bro, I took it's something at the shop. I'm about to go right back to the shop, bro, because I told him I was gonna go check this out too. Yeah.
Damn. So you still got the Impala too?
I got a different one, bro.
Yeah, okay,
I got
bet.
a different one. It's like a Bel Air. Let me get my trunk, nigga. Let me get my trunk, nigga. Nigga, stand the fuck up, nigga. Bro, you gotta get this bitch paid. Nigga, dog shit.
He gon' fall.
You stupid. Your ass up, nigga. Stupid, you gon' fuck up.
I know, nigga. Look, don't let me fuck
But
this
bro,
shit
this
up.
motherfucker, man, I wish I still had the
Damn,
fucking...
bro.
I left that bitch on the fucking
Oh
keychain.
God,
bro.
we gotta test this bitch out, man.
A transmission leak. But that's easy shit, bro.
Yeah, especially
Other than that, bro, it's already sandblasted, bro. It's ready for you, nigga. It's your canvas, nigga.
Wow, bro.
It's your canvas, nigga. I told you. 1986, bro.
Damn, bro, you a real nigga,
Bro, let's get this shit on the gram, nigga.
Nigga, hey, hold on.
Let's get this shit on the gram, yeah.
Oh, it's hot out here. I'm about to go in here.
Damn, hell yeah. Now I can definitely get Tashana that fucking leg. Get her out of that piece
Oh,
of shit
just get
maximum.
her out there, yeah, on me,
Oh,
bro.
God, bro.
Just go and treat your queen, nigga.
Yes, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Give me right here, nigga.
Damn, it's hot.
Stupid. Hold on, let me get you, fam. Let me get you, bro.
Yeah, get them balances, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga. Yeah, nigga. That's that gang shit. You already know what it is, baby. That 86
Got my
shit.
nigga
Going right on the YouTube
Yo,
channel.
hey, come on,
Got my
come
nigga
over
the
here,
new
though.
whip, look.
You know what I'm saying? You gotta check out these motherfucking hubcaps.
Ah,
It's a real
yeah.
deal, nigga. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you know what I'm
You know what I'm
saying?
saying? We doing it big, man. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? Them 10s, I keep it clean. No, you feel me, my nigga? Shit, I wish this motherfucking dough open right here, B. It's all good, baby.
What the heck?
We don't get that shit, B. What? What, nigga?
You done left there.
I'm finna take a picture, send that shit to my dad.
Bro,
like,
you
yeah,
gotta,
nigga.
I mean, how you
What's
gonna
up,
do
yo?
it, bro? I
How
mean,
Take a picture so he can send it to his dad.
what color you gonna paint this mug, bro?
Shh, bro, I don't even know. So much shit is going through my head, nigga. I might do an orange, I might do a black, I might do a purple, nigga, just like how the Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Was. I don't even know, bro.
But shit, this ain't really yours.
Ah, pussy.
I got you for the vlog. Hey, Dub TV Prank Wars. I got my boy, you know what I'm saying?
Bullshit. That was some bullshit, nigga.
Hey, man, if y'all like this video, man, please like and subscribe to this video. Descriptions will be below where you can get our music, where you can get all our social
They
media.
don't like nothing unless I'm that motherfucker.
More pranks coming soon, man. You know what I'm saying? You know how we get down. Over and out.